Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reverse a video on Kinemaster. If you want to reverse a video clip in Kinemaster, then it's super easy. So first of all, open your Kinemaster application and start up a new project. Once you select the new project option, you will then see this editing screen where you will need to tap on media at the top right corner. From your camera roll, import a video you want to reverse, or you can also use some of the sources provided by Kinemaster, such as Pixels or Pixabay. Here I'm just going to open up my camera roll and select a video clip to edit. After selecting a video clip, it will be added on your timeline. Tap the tick mark at the top right corner and you will be able to see your video clip on the preview screen. Go ahead and tap on the video clip and this will be highlighted like this in yellow. Now go to the right hand corner and then click on the reverse option. Wait for a few minutes and Kinemaster will start processing the video reversal. After you do that, you will be able to apply the reversal for your video clip. Go ahead and get to the timeline and click on the play button in order to preview your reverse video. So that is how you can easily reverse a video clip using Kinemaster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.